Hello guys, this is Junaid Ali Hadri and you're watching English Language Education. Guys, welcome to my channel English Language Education, and today I'm going to share a very important lecture with you. You can learn a lot of knowledge from this lecture. So guys, today I'm going to share different ways of asking question and different ways to answer the question, the below question. Okay, so guys, you know that there are so many ways to ask a one question. So I have put some sentences of how are you. So the next one is what's going on, and the next one is what's up, and the next one is how is your condition. There are so many ways. How is your health? What's about you? There are so many ways to ask the question how are you, and similarly there are so many ways to answer the question. I'm good. I'm absolutely fine. I'm well and right. I'm safe and sound. I'm happy and great. I'm happy.